The network published pictures of the updated prototype of the Porsche Cayenne, which got rid of the camouflage coating. The rear lights of the car seem wider. The Porsche Cayenne boasts a completely new luggage compartment door, as well as a rear bumper. The license plate moved from the rear car door of the model to the surface of the bumper. The front part received a number of minor changes. This applies to the front panel and radiator grille. The headlights are characterized by a new look. They are distinguished by more noticeable running lights. A completely new infotainment system is provided for the Cross. Porsche is equipped with an effective communications management system of the 6th generation with improved high-quality graphics. The manufacturer offers an intuitive layout and support for Android Auto. The system provides improved voice pilot technology, wireless Apple CarPlay, as well as built-in Apple Music. The Cayenne version is equipped with an infotainment system, a minimalistic switch, an updated center console and a switchgear. Porsche Cayenne received a digital instrument cluster and updated steering wheel. Many netizens appreciated the upgraded vehicle of the famous auto brand. If you liked the video, you can always support me with a subscription or a like. Thank you and see you tomorrow.